Welcome back to Business Radio X Pro Tips. Lee Canterstone Payton here with you. Lee, today's topic, using AI to create content.
Yeah, I was reading David Cumming has a blog where he shares a lot of what's going on. And for those who don't know, he is one of the kind of, I think, key linchpin people that have really catapulted Atlanta into a new level when it comes to startups and the startup community. And he has a blog that talks about what he sees and what he's learned, and he shares a lot of stuff. And in a recent blog post, he detailed a great way to use ChatGPT to create blog posts. And this is a summary of it, but I highly recommend you find his blog and subscribe to it. He's a super generous guy that is a super important person when it comes to Atlanta, startup, the whole region startup scene. So this is his way. He uses ChatGPT to create blog posts. Here's the summary. First, dictate your content of whatever you want your blog to be into a word processor so it transcribes it as you talk. So then you take all those words and you cut and paste it into ChatGPT and you use the prompt, clean up the following blog post focusing on grammar, punctuation, spelling, without adding adjectives. And then ChatGPT will do its magic. Now you have this cleaned up content in ChatGPT. Take that cleaned up content back into your word processor, and then now you rework it and make it sound like you instead of some AI robot. And that's how he quickly, within minutes, gets stuff out of his head into a finished blog post. So think about ways that you can use this same technique. But the key is the prompt. And his prompt is clean up the following blog post focusing on grammar, punctuation, spelling without adding adjectives. This way, AI will focus in on the stuff that you got wrong when you were just kind of stream of consciousness, just sharing information when you were just dictating it into your word processor. So this will get you from a kind of a crappy first draft into a pretty close to finished product if you kind of use this technique.